In this video or tutorial, we want to discuss about the units command and setting units in AutoCAD, limits in AutoCAD, and how to draw the circles, lines using some various methods. So at first, UN command for units, or you can go here, drawing utilities, units. Same dialog box appearing in front of you. In this dialog box, you can perform the setting limit using some method of decimal, architectural, engineering, fractional, scientific, and angle also by using decimal degrees, degree, minute, second, grads, radians, and superior units. Insertion skill is used for external drawings. When you insert any external drawing or blocks in AutoCAD, then you have to use this dialog box for the limits set for that particular external block or drawing. Now direction, in this way you can select the base angle in the reference angle. Actually the reference angle by default it is east or the positive x-axis direction. You can set it north, west, south, and any other by using this other point by typing here. I am set it in east, and you can give OK. Here from here precision, you can define any decimal points. I am setting at 2 decimal points. You can check it for clockwise or anti-clockwise measurements. Okay, now I am giving the line command to draw line. You can type here L, and AutoCAD will show the all function starts with L. Now click here, and now I am in the previous video you can see that we have to set a limit. So escape this command and set a limits command. Now you can specify any point. In this video I am using negative values also, say -100, -100, or you can press tab. Here is the lower limit and upper limit is 100, 100, or you can use tab, enter. Now followed by a zoom all command, zoom center, or you can use zoom all. And if you center it, it will ask for a center point. I am specify this as a center point. Okay, or else you can zoom all. Okay, and this is 0, this is the negative side, and this is positive side. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. Okay, now you can choose line from here and specify any point, or you can write line command by typing L. Okay, now I am using -50 as the starting point, and here this is the starting point. The pivot point is the starting point. You can see, if you want to draw horizontal or vertical only, then you can turn on the ortho mode on, or you can give any angle of 90 degree for in between 360 degree. Okay, for that you have to turn off the ortho mode and give any value of distance. I am using say 70 units, and tab for giving the angle 63 degree, 63, and give an enter. So this line is at 63 degree with respect to the 0 axis. You can exit here, and you can go further with the same process, like 50 C and angle of 30 degree. Enter. Okay, and you can close it, and it will close the path, or else you can exit. Now, using these 3 points, this and this, I am going to make a circle by 3-point option. This is my first point, second point. It is defined as not the 3-point option. It is first point, second point, and third point. Okay, this circle is made up of 3-point option, and this circle is made up of center radius method. Now, for arcs, you can use start, a center, and end point, or you can use start and end and give a direction, start, end, and radius. I am using center, start, end. Okay, so my center point is this. For the next point, I am using the shift and right click quadrant point. It will see the quadrant, and this angle of say 120 degree. There was a problem, sorry. Start point, center point, end point. What is the problem in arc? Now try the 3-point arc. It is okay. And shift quadrant, it is the quadrant point. Now, okay, in this way you can draw arcs in AutoCAD, or here you can type A for arcs. Okay, in this way you can draw arcs. For rectangles, you can also type R E C, so rectangle. Now you can use this option for rectangle. Specify the first corner point. I am specifying this as the first corner point. Now you can use dimension or area. I am using dimension of 50 and width of 60. Now you have to move your cursor in which direction you have to put the rectangle, and in preferred direction you have to give enter. In this way you can draw rectangles. For polygons, you have to first enter the sides. I am using 5. Center of the polygon. Now for that, at first erase all this by right click and selecting erase. Okay, now then the screen. Polygon, number of sides 5, center is this. Now it is asking that inscribe in circle or subscribe in circle, or now I am use inscribe in circle. Now you can specify a radius of circle. Okay, in this way you can draw any polygons. So this is the second tutorial, all about the second tutorial of AutoCAD. So thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.